Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, The Chicken Gamer here, and welcome back to my Obby series. So, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a moving part, and I'm also going to make the skip stage GUI to work, so you can make your own developer product so you can earn Robux. So, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so to make your spinning part, you're going to want to make the model first. So I'm going to make a pole.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So then I'm going to make this longer, so you have to jump over it. So it's 14 at the minute, I'm going to make it 15. Like this. Move one over. Yeah, that looks alright. So I'm just gonna select this and group it by pressing Ctrl and G at the same time, or Command and G if you're on a Mac. Then yeah, I'm just gonna name this spinner, like this. But I want to make it so that if you stand on these parts, it kills you. So in the last video, I made a tag in the tag editor called kill part, like this. Yep. And what you're gonna do now to make it spin around. So now we're just gonna make it spin around. So you need to go into subscript service, and you see the kill part controller I made in the last video. You just duplicate that, and then you can name this spinner part controller. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create a new tag, and we're going to call this spinners, like this. And we're going to get this part, and then we're going to add it to the spinners tag, like that. So now inside the spinner part controller, I'm going to zoom in so you can see. And this is going to make it kill you. We don't need this anymore, so we're just going to get rid of this bit. And now we're going to play the game, and then play. And if I touch it, it kills me, like that. So I'm just going to add this onto a level, so I'm just going to add a platform. So I'll be back as soon as I've made level 2 platform. Okay, I'm back, and I've made the platform for stage 2, and I've added the spinners on top of it. So now if I play the game, let's play the game. Guys, I forgot to mention that when you duplicated the script and named it spinner part controller, you just need to change this bit up here where it says kill part. You need to change this to the name of this tag here. So mine's called spinners, so I need to type spinners in there. Oops, spinners like that, because I joined the game there. You didn't get to see it, but when I joined the game there, it didn't work properly. So I was wondering why, so I just need to duplicate this again and bring it over here. So I'm gonna play the game. So I just forgot to mention that. So play the game now. Okay, we're in. Let's go into here. I'm on stage 2, for some reason that's not working. I'm facing the wrong direction. For some reason this one's not working. Does it kill you? Yes, it kills you. Okay, so that spinner there didn't seem to be spinning around, So I'm going to work out what the problem was, and I'll be back with you as soon as I found what it was. Guys, I'm back and I fixed the problem. So it didn't seem to work properly when I added it into the tag editor. So you don't need that anymore. You can just get rid of this, and you can delete the script out of subscript service. This, and what I did was I added a script just inside of the one that kills you, the spin part, and just add the script. So instead of adding it into the tag editor, you just make your own script inside of the part. So make sure you pause this video now and copy this into your code. So now I'm going to show you how to make the skip stage and GUI work. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so when you should go to your game, and then those 3 dots, and you need to click configure this place, then go down to developer products, and then here you click create new, and then just name this skip stage if you want. You just name it that, and then come up with a price. So I'm just going to make mine 25 Robux. So now you created it, then copy this ID here. I'll save this. Go back into your game, and then go into start a GUI, and into the skip stage GUI. Then click on the script, local script inside the button, and then this product ID, just paste in the ID there, and then you're done with the GUI. And then go into subscript service, and then change this part here to the ID as well, and let's test it out. Okay, I'm in my game, and now if you click on your skip stage button, then this menu thing will come up. Then just click buy now. If it's in studio, then it's not going to take it from your account balance. It's just a test purchase, just for testing only. So I made 25 Robux, so it would cost me 25 Robux if I was playing it in a proper server, but since I'm just in Roblox Studio, I don't need to actually pay for it. So let's just click buy now, and it's teleported me to stage 2. So if I reset, I'm still in stage 2. Let's actually test these out. So they're both spinning, kills you. The checkpoints actually might spawn you the wrong way around, but that doesn't matter. So jump over these. Yep, work. In stage 3, then if I buy it again, it'll teleport me over there. Yep, I'm over here now, like this. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today's video. So if you did enjoy and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe, and give video suggestions in the comment section down below for a shout out in one of my videos. Also make sure you turn on that bell so you'll be notified when another video comes out. So this is it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.